Hey guys, it's me Misha. Let's do our Friday prep. And I got some homework from brother Casey. We'll take a look at his setups. This is a massacre. Let me just see the Russian markets real quick before they start okay, they did start moving. This is the guys I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm gonna exit some position. Wow, no. It's kind of the test level right here. I'm gonna exit another third because I don't like. I took third here. I think it should go, but I'm taking, and another third was to here, and another here. But I'm just considering this up thrust. It's on volume though. It is unvolumed. I think, yeah, I think I'll take another third here. Here I took the entire position yesterday. In hindsight, could have put it somewhere over here because in order to form the up thrust. I don't really need test here. I'm not gonna play it short anyways, but I'm just saying that after test it's gonna be solid. Looks good now for short. For anyone who shorts. This guy, why did I put it on my hourly watch? How did I miss it? How did I put it on my hourly watch and then it slipped my mind? Well, now it's not good for... Yeah. It was good for up to 0.5 here, but then it did this. It did a bigger volume. And absolutely no volume here, yeah. This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. Yeah, so this is bigger volume now. So leave it alone. Goes back to just my trade watches. This is good. HSBC. Did I move it to... I did. Where did I move it? Did it hit my take profit? I'm sorry. Was in the morning. Where did I put it? Anyone knows? Let me see. Yeah. Let me see real quick. Might be out of my HSBC. Because here it looks like it's... Yeah, the biggest volume, and then drop. Yeah, I'm filled. I'm out of HSBC. Let me log it on. I'm out of HSBC. HSBC is gone. Damn, I'm bleeding on Intel. HSBC is closed. For better or worse, I'm done. It's not the perfect. It's not the perfect. Hey, what's going on? No, yeah. What the heck? Please, can I do something? Why is it view only? No. Is it the wrong? Come on. Wave, yeah. Okay. This is the logbook. HSBC, I'm out. Yes. And kicked me out for 40. Remember, it kicked me out prematurely, not at this line, so it's even better. Yeah, I did a good job on HSBC. Not gonna lie to you. I did like 20, 21 and a half hours on HSBC. And that was an exit. That's how we exit. This guy is closed. I think it was a good sound decision. That's what I think. That's where we closed the last of it. That's the trade of the year so far. And I'll explain myself and why exactly. 40.95. I was filled for 40.95. I think it was a sound decision. Maybe I chickened out a little bit too early. But, however, yeah, this is how it played out. Let me log it to my logbook. Always. Yeah. I think it's sound. It's like April 11th. April 11th. Gosh. I'm bleeding on Intel. I'm bleeding on Intel and Johnson & Johnson. So, it showed a two. This is, guys, is a, believe me or not, a 2-bar up thrust. That's a bearish bar, a bullish bar, and that's a bearish bar. In a balance. Still needs, probably it will retest. Probably it will test. But also after this volume here, it can just go lower now. It can. So I think it's a good sound decision. Because from here it can easily go to the lower range, to the support level. I think it will still go here, but it can easily go on dailies. Yeah, the biggest volume. It can now easily go to the lower range, to the support level of this entire balance. And it's gonna be like way below 0.5 now. Yeah, that's all I can say. HSBC is gone, and it's gonna be good for re-entry either at 0.5, but it's not gonna give us a 0.5 because just there will be no level here. You know what I mean? It was a great trade. Let it go. Let it go. And I tolerated this stop. I exited for a little bit. Huh? You see, could have exited it here. But anyhow, great trade. Thank you, HSBC. I don't know what to do now with it, really. So this is gonna be like way below 0.5. It's gonna be like, you know what? Maybe this is how you can. Yeah. Now we can do this thing. So if it decides to go into this lower range to the support level, was it the biggest level? Yeah, really. Oh, it was. Yeah, it was also the biggest, and there's only two of them, but anyways. So yeah, that is how it is now. So if it comes back here, but yeah. Yeah, and that's the same levels. Yeah, it doesn't help us much. Well, but technically, once it comes here, we'll see. It needs to go there first. So we just remove it from our watch list entirely. Boom, I'm bleeding here. I'm bleeding here. So immature. Well, no, yes. I mean, should have considered this volume. This volume was in our face. I am where I am right now. Same here. Didn't exit when it offered me to. Didn't take my lucky ticket. Didn't consider this volume. And I'm bleeding now, and this never existed. Forget this level. So this is the and it doesn't matter really because it's we're waiting for transitory extremum here. This is weird, but still okay. Why are we looking at this? Because of this volume. Look at this beautiful volume. 1.4 millions now. And remember the volume was matching on this one. Let's just compare. 50, 100. Well, what? It changed. 50, 100. Let's take extended hours. Okay. 26, 42, so 60, 70. It shows different even with extended. This bar was 380 and now it's 350. There's something going on. You see this 380, it was 350 just now. And did it even look different? It didn't even look different. Like how extended hours can affect. Oh my gosh, this is annoying. This is annoying. How does it even change? There's something I need to learn about hourly charts and extended levels. There's something that freaks me out. Great volume though, it's all here. We're breaking below it now. There was no volume here. Let's keep on watching it. This acted out. I mean, I'm looking at the wrong stocks because I don't know what it is. I don't know how to read it. I don't. Just jerks out. It's just jerky. Should let it go. Yeah, went up. Actually broke, but in 0.5. Beam, 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 beam. Just absolutely train wrecked. This is broken now. This is all its might. And we're below the significant volume. Yeah. Everything just dies. Not everything, the stocks I'm looking to. Great exhaustion volume that didn't hold. Went lower. Yeah, this one broke this level. I'll see what it'll do tomorrow. Yeah, there's nothing that catches my eye at all, guys, in this entire shebang. Kid you not. I should just like remove this guy and this guy. I just don't know what to do with it. I don't. And there's bigger volume on test. Where's this volume? Yeah, just weird. Just weird. Casey set up. Casey, are you in this trade or not? Are you doing it? We were saying that this is like accumulation and then it's gonna go down. Everything just collapses. It didn't even gap on dividends. I was so busy collapsing. I like this volume. Just keep in mind it's a bearish volume. Volume is not bearish. Oh yeah, this is lovely. This is lovely. Okay, this is probably why I'm looking at it. I call this volume. Where do you have it an hour? Yeah, it's all here. It's all here. Yeah. This is why I have it on my list. Let's keep it on the watch list. This guy gives us a little volume. I don't know. Oh, let's keep watching it for better or worse. How can protect my little boy from Oppenheimer, deadly toy? Believe me. Still singing the Sting song stuck in my head. I'm working on a piece in theater right now that's tightly related, I think, on its theme. That would pass for an exhaustion volume. Anyone wants to stop falling, please, and give me some entries? Was it the one? Absolutely no volume. Oh, this was volume, and this was volume, but yeah, I wouldn't trust this much. And sorry, but you do not exist because it's in a free fall right now. Oops. Oops, I did it again. But there's no point. Even this is volume. This is unvolumed, and I mean, on daily it's absolutely nowhere. Let's say test level. No, this was a test level as well. So yeah, it's just falling down. Toronto. Orlando. I love you, Orlando. I think everyone watched Book of Mormon at this point, right? I just sighed this year. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. And it was like one of the last musicals. Like every time I go in New York, I go see musicals, but this time I was like, I think I got it. Like I want to see like dramatic works. And I don't do musicals. I don't sing, so it doesn't help me anyways to grow as an actor. So it's just an entertainment for me. Yeah. Let's keep watching it. Race buff. This guy. Dune. Dr. Pepper. The deal I exit prematurely. Yeah. You can come here. Weird. Technically this is broke now. Broken. I still don't know how to speak proper English. And I think at this point of my life I never will. My broken English will stay with me. But yeah, the support level is broken, not broke. Yeah, that's bit. Oof. Mother apples. I don't wanna, like, kids may be watching. I don't wanna just. Holy crap. Will Apple reverse without reaching the monthly level? Apple, are you for real? I mean, what the heck, Apple? I thought we were friends. Me, you, and Forrest Gump. But Apple's like, no, sorry, man. I'm going without you. Well, yeah, thank you for leaving me behind. Look at this. Just exploded. And I think... Yeah, did it... Oops. It was like all counter trend. And as this thing happens... Was it like the biggest... This whole shebang happens and it's like, oh, I'm not sure what I'm doing. Like, boring everyone and their grandma out of itself, and then just going. Well, thank you, Apple, for leaving me behind. It was so nice not to make money with you. Accumulated here. Was it the biggest volume of the... No, it was not. But now, like, this is the biggest volume, I think. Isn't it? No, still isn't. Well, up to here. Still weird. Still acting out. Yeah, this is the wave. No, this is rude, Apple. All I'm saying. Just to leave me behind like this. This is rude. You know I'm a struggling actor. Just in support of arts, you could have waited for me. In the name of arts. Like, phew, phew, look what it did. Bye-bye. Well, what happened to the months level? Never mind. I just don't need it. Never needed it. I'm Apple. I don't need nothing. Well, okay. Thank you for going without me. It's nice to see you. Yeah. Funny. There is this level though. There's some level here now behind us. There's this level. Yeah, this level is in our face. Well, let's put it on the... On a daily watch. If it closes above this level tomorrow, this could have been an accident, so... It closes above the resistance level, it's broke, change of direction, and then it means we can see it as contextual direction to this resistance. Interesting. Okay, daily, it's our daily. Monthlies on Home Depot. There's a good volume. There's a good volume here. So here. Not 15s, 14, looks something different. But yeah. Apple though. I'm looking at the stocks, but I'm thinking about you, Apple, and how you left me behind. Where's your sense of comradeship? I think we're comrades. She just left me. It's not like it never happened to me before. Like, this high, you want to get in this stock and aka still morning cover on my Intel deal. What was I thinking? What are you thinking about? Hello, it's Jormungand. Oh yeah, that's another reason to mourn. Like quickest 2R potentially of this month that I didn't take. It's beautiful. Everything was beautiful here. Yeah, I did bounce of this level and went down. Yeah, everything by like I would have taken it if it was for a with a real stop loss. Yeah. HSBC, bye bye. It was nice making money with you. Okay, let's take a look. Not even watching this. Yeah. Let's take a look at Casey. Brother Casey. Holy crap. Something is going in my actor success. Someone wants me on my actor success. You know, like it's just like I'm doing a one-man play now. And I was like, okay, I'm not gonna audition, but, you know, unless like bigger stuff from my agency. Just I'm gonna sit low. I'm gonna focus on this one person show because it's like really important for me, the theme that I relate to on a higher level. And I knew like the moment I'll do that, people will start getting in touch with me all over Actor Success. I even canceled my paid memberships with Actor Success backstage, and I kept casting networks, but I downgraded to basic. And yeah, as always, now it's the time that people will offer me like the projects of my life. That's all about acting gig. You need it, it's not there. You say like, screw that. I'm involved in the project now. Don't touch me. And then everyone wants you right away. So okay, Casey, I don't like this thing. It's a manipulation bar of this resistance level. Yeah, so no, sorry, but I don't like it at all. It's counter trend, so it's kind of like supposed to be broken. However, I would suppose some move. I would expect that some moves here. Daily is not clear what's trying to do here. It broke above this one, so daily is just like this. And I know your setups, they're like semi. For those of us who know, Casey is like my brother from another mother, from Louisiana. He sends me some stocks. We used to hang out on my TradingView streams, but ever since TradingView closed their streams, he just emails me his setups. And I take a look at them during my next streams. And you can do the same. Just send me your setups, send me your trades if you need a second. Everything I say is not a financial advice. trade responsibly at your own discretion. And I'll be happy to give you my view on the market, on the stocks. Doesn't matter, American stocks, any other stocks, anything tradable, cryptos, forex. Forex, I told you, forex kind of lives in its own rules, set of rules. Oh, wow, it's not 2 to 1. If I plugged in everything right, it's 3 to 1. This is something new. Oh, stop level. I think yeah, stop loss. Yeah, never mind the daily. And it's impossible to play with monthly because there is no, you can do like a yearly, you can do like 12 months time frame to use it at superior. No, yeah, I don't like it. I mean, it's in the right direction of the trend, but it's at resistance level of the trend. And you see, we don't know the volume of this month yet, but this is a reverse volume. Volume grows. No, I don't know. I don't know how to say it in English, but volume grows, which normally signifies the exhaustion of the. That was a bearish bar though. So yeah, it's hard to tell, but I mean, it needs to decide what it want to do. Either break, you know my rules. Either you need a break and reaction bar above the resistance level, or it can just bounce down. And it's in the balance right now, 1 2 1 2 really. So yeah, no, I'd rather look at it short. In other words, simply put, I don't like it. Technoglass. Okay, we're looking. Did you get into this trade or not? Still don't like it because it's at resistance. It's a counter trend resistance, so it's kind of supposed to be broken. Day looks better than the time. Oh, you see, we had this exhaustion. I went above, but not really. It didn't do much of the progress here. You see, it kind of dropped and it tested it here. So now we kind of I don't really try it like this at the resistance levels of the superior time frame, but there's a way to, you can look at it this way. So I don't know, man. It's not good for me on monthly, and your setup is more like monthly. And yeah, there is volume again to support your theory, including this not fully tested. Test weakens the zone, but yeah, volume distribution is not bad, but it's deciding what it wants to do. I don't know, were you triggered into this trade, or are you still in the money? Not in the money, it's an option term, but you know what I mean. Are you still sitting on cash, or did you set it up and we were triggered in? So, yeah, here volume distribution is kind of in continuation of the trend on daily. I'm not sure. I mean, you need a reaction. You need this bar to close above and reaction bar, and then you'll be good. Come see, come sa. Better than first one, but definitely not something within my. This guy doesn't pay dividends, so not good for me. Ooh, this is not good for me because it has 32% of closely held shares, so privately held shares. No bueno. And it's kind of, well, mostly though. Bro, Casey, this is something new. You can see I start smiling. I'm getting happy because it looks like our brother Casey start finally looking into buying a dip. Wow, this is amazing, Casey. Did I get the ticker right? I'm so surprised. I can't believe myself. Let me double check. Yeah, it's the right ticker. Wow. This is uh, possibly a turnaround moment in cases trade. Um, I don't like it here, but I do love that you're not trying to pick from the top. You're trying to buy the dip, buy the salsa. I mean, there is no like. Of course, it's like I mean, doesn't make any sense. But you know, it's not that far. Like, I would rather see it like this. So it's yeah. Comes to think of it, it's not that far from its old time. Um, it is. I mean, it has room to go. So the problem here is that this volume sign of weakness, long day can bar in other cultures. There is no tail, so that's a significant volume bar, and we went below it. So for now, it just continues to fall down, and yeah, shows no absolutely no signs of. Is it a long trade? Oh, it's a short. Okay, never mind. Of course, it's a. Okay, it's a short entry. Um, mm, yeah, the volume distribution is short here. Never ever trade short without a mental, with mental stops, without a real stop. This was a good drop. Yeah, it's more like really like the volume zone is here in 0.5. Huh, you see, this volume zone is really like starting here as this volume. It's right here in 0.5. And this volume then went down. It's actually like, no, it went down. Oh, it feels like we have like a little earthquake right now. If I'm not tripping, we just had a like minor shake. And it's kind of the season, right? It's a little bit like below. It's April. It's a little bit like late for the season, but they normally come in March. April is good too. I think there was just like one of those little earthquakes. It's little Southern California's earthquakes. I was shit scared of earthquakes before I came to California. But here I got used to them. Like, okay, it shakes a little bit. But yeah, man, that's what you're trying to get here. It's short. It looks short. Volume is short. You have this boom, boom. This volume. There's no exhaustion volume here as of now. Let me see a setup. This is something new. It's the first short trade Casey sends me ever. Oh my gosh. Casey's really doing it. Let's see. Ew, really? Really? Okay, never mind. I was like, this is unconventional. No, why? Hold on. Yeah. Why? Yeah. She doesn't want to go. What's wrong? Two five eight 30. So that's your entry. 258. 258 30. 20 235 01 269. I like how Casey is specific about his like setups. That's always, yeah, no, I don't know what to tell you. It's kind of like it did this little, there is a little volume here, so it's springed, but it doesn't matter. Like all the rest looks short, and there is a little volume in the T1 level, so technically it bounced just a little bit, but I don't think it's for long. It's nothing compared to the volumes we have on our face. Even like starting from here, we're not gonna go like even before that. It's just like this is enough to see that it doesn't look nothing like exhaustion. However, it's springed, so like inside of this like small teeny tiny, the potentiality is 2.5, which is already exhausted. Yeah, I mean, it can go lower. I don't know how lower, how much lower it can go. Once again, like if we use the like this roll, so it can go up to here. I don't use it in my trade. And not within, nothing like, it's not an entry point that I can see within my system, but if it came here, up thrusted here, and you like took it from here, yeah, that would be like more of an idea. But yeah, right direction, yeah, it's definitely in a short impulse right now. It's kind of, it can go, there is nothing alarming, nothing alarming here, like powerfully went, so until it throws a volume in your face which is like bigger or comparable to any of this, or at least something like this, I think it's good to fall lower. But yeah, that's about what I can tell you about this trade. Fox Factory. I didn't know that foxes were manufactured. Is it short again? Okay. Casey like starts, brother Casey starts looking short. If Casey starts looking short, it means that the market starts looking short, you know what I mean? Me and Warren Buffett, we are looking Casey's trades very closely. You know what I mean? Uh, an oracle from Louisiana. Uh, Damn, this hurts my eyes. It was like twisting. Anyhow, yeah, it's short once again. Like I mean, it looks. Oh no, like wait, this is a little different. I like cases that you are very precise in defining the direction of the trend. This is really, really good. You'll be surprised to know how many people can not. They like place themselves against the trend all the time. AKA Misha some time ago. You're defining trend direction right. It's in a short impulse right now. I don't like it on monthly because it's interacting with this T1 level, counter trend level, which is supposed to be broken. Bigger volume is still here, so it gives us some volume even in the middle of the months, but still we have this volume to support our idea of the short. There was a tail here though, the buyer's tail. But anyhow, the previous one was better because it was in a short impulse, and this guy is in a it broke this level on daily. This one is interacting on monthly with its support level, and counter trend levels are meant to be broken. However, they all get broken until they're not, and it's a weird volume on dailies. I'd assume there is not enough liquidity, so like someone is like manipulating a strong word, but having an influence on the market which goes against the free market rule, the Smithian market theory. And the free market is one of the foundational ideas upon which technical analysis and Wyckoffin method relies. So when like a single stock start being heavily influenced by, you know, small amount of operators, it's always alarming because it does not respect the rules of technical analysis that much anymore. It can do whatever. Like in the Turtle Way book, if you read it, when a younger trader was showing a older, mature, back in the day when computers just arrived, was showing him technical analysis on chart and said like, okay, here it's gonna go up or whatever. And then the older trader just picked up the phone and sold like 2 million pieces of that commodity, and the prices immediately went down just to prove the younger guy wrong. That might be completely the case with this stock. So yeah, even though like it broke, it's very hard when you have like volumes like this, 2nd of April. So this is like reasonable volume. There's a huge tail, like something happened here. But what happened here? Like absolutely nothing. And I don't know, the volume is like 10 times more than regular. This is alarming. So technically it's in the break of this day trade trend. This is 0.5. There's even some volume, like splash of volume in this 0.5. But yeah, well, this volume is concerning. So there's something that's going on with this market, with this stock, that I cannot interpret. I cannot wrap my head around it. You know what I mean? So if I can't understand what's going on, I better stay away. That's my mantra. Well, I mean, okay, all right. Yeah, right direction of the market. I don't like it since the support level of the monthly. But it's counter trend, like why not? It'd be broken. And all the volume that came in, it was like right here on 2nd of April. So looks bearish to me. If not for this thing in our face, would be good. Okay, that was it for Casey. I'm gonna check out. Kind of like I'm out of ideas. I'm milking this, but it's like really nothing. It's just like I'm more of like entertaining myself than doing anything here. I don't know how to do it, how to deal with all of that. Starbucks is still dying. I mean, this might potentially be something, but that was the last hour of the day. No, it's not. I mean, yeah, I mean, sitting on your hands is one of the skills of the trader. This may be something. This belongs to hours, I believe. Potentially. Do we have, yeah, please, but no, that's not what I meant. Bring to front, yeah. Well, why is it months? If I don't see it on other things. This volume, this is not a correction. For what it's worth. It's all down there though. Yeah, this is a good level. This is maybe the most workable situation. This volume is here, and then this, like, I mean, no, there's like volume all over the place. It doesn't look like a correction. And you see, like, remember this idea we had that it's, I mean, I don't know. I'll say, but like super careful about all these volumes. All of this volume is cumulatively like way bigger than the, no. Yeah, that's not our model. No, I should really remove it. I'll deal with it tomorrow. I'll deal with this tomorrow. Okay. So my, let me check. Another third of my yuan is closed now. Let me check my broker. I'm only left with my another third of the yuan left. I made some money. I think I'm not gonna bother you, okay? I'm gonna let you go. Oh, this goes. We'll see how it plays out today. This goes for a test, obviously. It's gonna be testing today. Can break. Can break. But yeah, guys, see you tomorrow.